In our video, this time I will explain about the tenant page, which on this page contains details or features that cover one tenant. On the tenant page, there are two tabs, the Details tab and the Workflow tab. But in this video, I will explain the details first. Where in detail there are two sessions, namely, the Tenant Details session and the External IDP session, which I explained in the previous video. So in this video, I will explain the detailed session on the tenant page. Let's one by one change or update these tenant details. First, we can change the logo by pressing the Change Logo button, then select your logo. You can change the name, you can also change the unique name of the tenant, and you can also force all users to perform MFA at login by checking the MFA enforcer here. In the User Details on the Permissions tab, default permissions or roles such as requester, supervisor, and others. However, if your company has a name that is different from the default role name, then you can change it or use a custom role name that suits your needs. You can click this button, a dialog will appear. If the role row is not yet available in this table, you can click the custom role button here first. For example, here I want to edit the requester role to employee. To change the name here, you are required to add or change the name in 4 languages, because Truexess currently supports 4 languages. For example, I want to convert a requester into an employee. For example like this. Or if your company has a custom name that doesn't have a translation, you can fill in the same name in each language. Once finished, click Save. Then click outside the dialog to close the dialog. Then there is the user provisioning URL. This URL can be used to connect to Azure Active Directory, to synchronize user data. In the next video, I will explain more about user provisioning. Once you have finished making changes, the next step is to click Save to save. And if you want to cancel it, you can click the Cancel button. Click Save to save changes. Then the changes have been successfully changed.